The new trinity of health. When they tell you not to eat the butter and red meat every day. I can tell you from being in the woods, my hormones, lean body mass, everything is far more responsive in nature. Eating red meat, whole foods, and things that stimulate your testosterone, specifically the vitamin D levels. But I'm convinced whatever's in the grid, 5G, convenience, processed everything, endless alcohol, going out, smoking, all that stuff is what kills your health. You got to eat the red meat, and you got to get the truffle butter. At the end of the day, they flipped the food pyramid. It was always a scam, and it was always meant to hurt us. We're not supposed to have that much fruit and grains in our diet. I've been doing